What's up guys, welcome back to another game. This video is very interesting. In this video I will make Miss-t do the pop dance. I don't know if I can do it, but I will try. Firstly, I will slowly enter the room. Let's go. Wow guys, I jump it and I have to enter the room. Guys, now I have to climb the stair. Wow guys, I climbed up the stair and I have to go to the tutorial room. Wow, I have already approached the tutorial room and I need to find a piece of wooden card. And I found a piece of wooden card. This would I take it. Oh my god guys, the window scene is very nice. I opened the window to get a better look. I'm not going to jump here. Now I have to leave here. I have to go to the TV room. Let's go. Wow guys, I have to approach the TV room. We will attach the wood of the rope. We put a wood, I have to put another wood, and I need to bring super glue to put another wood. I don't know where it is, but I have to find now. Let's go. I have to go to the shade room. Guys, we are now in front of the shade room. We entered the shade room. I need to find a super glue. Oh my god guys, I found a super glue. Now I have to take this super glue and leave here. I have to go to the TV room. Let's go. I slowly come to the TV room. Now I need to apply the glue to the first wood. I applied the glue to the first wood. Now we will put the two wood crosswise. I have finished putting the two pieces of wood together crosswise. Now I have to leave here. I need to find a rope. I don't know where it is, but I have to find now. I have to go to the tutorial room. Let's go. I have to get out of here. Oh, R.B.H, Miss-t has seen me. I have to run now. We run and left Miss-t behind. Wow, guys, I have already approached the tutorial room and I found a rope. I took the rope. I have to take this rope and go to the TV room. I have to get out of here. R.B.H, Miss-t has seen me too again. Let's go. I have to run now.
I will make sure you'll never bother me again.
We ran out of the room, scared of Miss-t. Anyway, I have to put the rope in the wood. Now we have attached the rope to the wood. Hey Miss-t, she is chasing me again.
Punish you, you little rascal.
I ran fast as I could toward the kitchen and stood in front of a door. R.B.H, Miss-t has captured me.